Thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. My a little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with the national lender. We kind of get I here to help you guys out, answer any questions you guys might have. These videos are on mortgage rates. We kind of get into what's impacting rates on a daily basis, whether it might be something that from the economic calendar or headline news, or perhaps there might be a change in the sentiment of the investors that are out there and what's going on with mortgage rates on a daily basis. We're here to kind of give that information to you. So if you're watching these videos, you're most likely a consumer. You're probably like maybe into refinancing or purchasing and want to maybe see what's going on. And these hopefully my videos will be able to give you some better insight as to what to do or how to proceed if you want to hold off or if you want to lock in or whatnot. But we're here to help you guys out too. So we love to earn your business. So please reach out, and we can certainly talk about how we can help you guys obtain your achievements or achieve what you're looking to do. Without further ado, why don't we jump right into the report right now? We'll start off with the economic calendar. Here's today's calendar. Uh, Today we got the New York Fed or Empire State Index building. This is the manufacturing data around the New York region, and last month's report back in October was at 19.8, which is a good report rate. Excuse me, it was still a pretty good number. Forecast was supposed to be a slight uptick to 21.2. However, it had a huge spike here at the 30.9. So this is a very good number here that kind of is probably surprising the markets and helping stocks a little bit. Speaking of stocks, stocks are up. I think Dow's only went up. The other two are down today. We'll touch on that in the headline news. But to touch on what's going on this week, what could be impacting rates later this week, we got retail sales. This kind of have an impact, a direct impact. I know. We also got some housing data. We got NAHB Housing Market Index. We got that's on Tuesday. Then Wednesday we got housing starts as well as building permits, and then Thursday we got, of course, the Philly Fed, and then we got the claims or jobless claims we get every Thursday from the BLS. So let's go ahead. Headline news today. Not a lot going on. We do got the things that are out there is Fed president, or I'm sorry, Biden is in the process of interviewing for who will be doing the next term for Fed president or Fed chair. Jerome Powell is being reconsidered as renominated. He's in the running, but also a new contender, Lael Brainerd, another Fed member, could potentially move into the spot, and they think they could have an announcement perhaps this week. Sounds like we also got some movement on the infrastructure bill that could be moving forward to get some stuff moving on. So that could be another item here, maybe announced as soon as today. That could be moving forward as well. Um, Now, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with the mortgage rates here today, and they're not doing so well today. Yesterday, we ended up closing down 2 basis points from where we left off on Thursday after that big sell-off. As you saw here, we had some pretty wild swings here. Today's no different. So we started the day much lower. We're up a little bit. I'm sorry, no, we started right here. Excuse me. We started up a little bit, about where we left off yesterday. Tried upwards, but now we've been kind of creeping downwards a bit. So right now we're down about 22 basis points from where we left off on Friday. So here's where we left off Friday, base the same place, and then now we're down about 22 basis or 20 basis. As you can see, there's some fluctuations with the mortgage-backed securities here. What does that mean? Mortgage rates are we got a little bit of a bump in our mortgage rate, so it should be equivalent to at least 1/8% to the rate, as much of that effect. And here's kind of here's how it looked today. So basically, as you see, we started up, and since then we've been kind of dropping since earlier today here. So that's been kind of the trend for the day. Um, Take a look at the treasuries. Treasuries are up, spiking up to almost 1.62 right now, and that's another reason why the stocks are up a bit or down a little bit today, because of the spike in yields. Yields kind of spiked up, and there's been concerns obviously about inflation. As a result, we're seeing a bit higher, and that's taking its toll on the market here from as what we're seeing here in the mortgage-backed securities as well as treasuries. So this is kind of what led to that big sell-off, that huge spike in the CAPI report. And that's what kind of led this charge here and leading this current trend right now as we see yields rising a bit as well. All right, folks. I hope that answered any questions you guys might have out there. Hopefully, this video is useful. If you guys got questions, we can help out in any way. Please feel free to reach out. Meanwhile, we'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. If you do like these videos, please help us out here. We greatly appreciate it. If you guys could hit that like button and also follow, we greatly love to be able to see you guys on a daily basis. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.